Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to say in Arabic if. How to say if in Arabic language. And as we usually do, we take an example first. If you eat a lot, you will get fat. If you eat a lot, you will get fat. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say إن تأكل كثيرا تسمن. إن تأكل كثيرا تسمن. If تأكل كثيرا, you eat a lot, okay, you will get fat. تسمن. إن تأكل كثيرا تسمن. If you eat a lot, you will get fat. So from this example, I think you know what's the meaning of if. If means in. If means in. And after it, it's following by فعل الشرط. فعل الشرط. فعل الشرط means the condition verb. The condition verb. This verb might be past, ماضي, or might be present or مضارع. But today inshallah we'll take only مضارع. فعل الشرط, okay, and after فعل الشرط جواب الشرط. جواب الشرط, it means the result. The result, and this result sometimes come verbs and sometimes not, okay. جواب الشرط فعل, it also فعل. So for example, if you study hard, you will succeed. If you study hard, you will succeed. How to say this sentence in Arabic? We say in first, in, and then إن تذاكر بجد تنجح. إن تذاكر بجد. تذاكر بجد. تذاكر study. بجد hard. إن تذاكر بجد تنجح, you will succeed. تنجح, okay. إن تذاكر بجد تنجح. If you study hard, you will succeed. So as you see here, إن تذاكر. تذاكر, this is فعل الشرط. It's here, it's, and as you see, it's present. فعل الشرط, okay. بجد تنجح. تنجح, this is the result. جواب الشرط. جواب الشرط. So if this happened, تذاكر, this, the other will happen. إن تذاكر بجد تنجح, okay. So this condition is able to happen because it didn't happen yet, okay. For example, if you are advising your son, you're telling him إن تذاكر تنجح. If you study hard, you will succeed, okay, because he didn't go to the exam yet, okay, he still have time. So you are advising him إن تذاكر. If you study, إن تذاكر بجد تنجح. If you study hard, you will succeed. Okay, if he sleeps early, he will wake up early. If he sleeps early, he will wake up early. So also here we put first in, okay. In ينام باكرا يصحو باكرا. إن ينام باكرا يصحو باكرا. إن ينام باكرا, if he sleeps early. يصحو باكرا. معذرة, I'm sorry. يصحو باكرا, he will wake up early. إن ينام باكرا يصحو باكرا. As you see here, فعل الشرط ينام باكرا, sleeps early. The result will be, or جواب الشرط will be يصحو باكرا, he will wake up early, okay. If she helps me, I'll give her a present. If she helps me, I'll give her a present. So here we put first in. If she helps me, إن تساعدني أعطيها هدية. If she helps me, إن تساعدني, helps me. If she helps me, إن تساعدني أعطيها هدية, I will give her a present. إن تساعدني أعطيها هدية. If she helps me, I will give her هدية, I will give her a present. أعطيها هدية. So here فعل الشرط تساعدني, help me. If she helps me, أعطيها, I will give her a present. أعطيها هدية. أعطيها هدية. هدية means a present. Okay, and this is the meaning of if. It's only one condition, guys. There are many meaning for if in Arabic language. There are many meanings of Arabic language in if of if. Inshallah, we make this lesson for this, and we make this only for now. Inshallah, in future I will try to make another lesson about this, because it's really big lesson. It needs Arabic grammar. So stick for this now, inshallah. And this is the end of our lesson today, guys. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply you, inshallah. Don't forget to make like and subscribe for this video, and if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful, and make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.